guys, welcome back to Miss C's Imaginarium. My name is Miss Andrea, or you can call me Miss C, from the York County Library in South Carolina. And on today's video, we are going to be making a bubbling slime eruption. Yeah, this is a 2-in-1 science experiment. With one hand, you have the fizzy chemical reaction with the vinegar and baking soda. And then on the other hand, you can use the glue and the borax or saline solution to make your slime. So my friends, it will get messy. Beware, you will be messy. But I promise you, it is so much fun. All right, my friends, you ready to get started? Let's get started. Materials: you will need white glue, baking soda, white vinegar, borax or saline solution, and food coloring. Step 1. Mix half a teaspoon of borax into warm water and stir. Step 2. Measure 1/4 cup of vinegar into a separate container. Step 3. Add in 1 tablespoon of the borax and water solution into the 1/4 cup of vinegar and stir. Then set that aside. Step 4. Add half a cup of white glue into an empty container. Then add in 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Then add in your food coloring and stir. Step 5. Pour the vinegar and borax solution into the container and stir. Here's the explosion. Let's see that again, but slower. The vinegar mixes with the baking soda and creates the fizzy chemical reaction. My explosion wasn't that big because of my container, but yours could be huge. Now, here comes the slime. I poured the contents into the tray and played with it a bit. I would recommend allowing the slime solution to breathe for a bit because, as you can see, it's a bit slippery. After I allowed it to sit for a few minutes, it had the consistency of regular slime. I had more slime than this little bit, but only showed a little on camera. Thanks for watching, my friends. See you next time.